Have you ever wondered if saving $10,000 in just 1 year is actually possible? The answer is yes, but it takes a smart plan and consistency. Let's break it down. To save $10,000 in 12 months, you'll need to save about $834 per month, $193 per week, or roughly $27 every day. It may sound challenging, but small habits can make a big difference. First, create a simple monthly budget. Track where every dollar goes. Many people are surprised by how much they spend on takeout, subscriptions, or impulse purchases. Next, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account every payday. When the money moves automatically, you're less likely to spend it. Another powerful strategy is increasing your income. Consider a side hustle like freelancing, tutoring, pet sitting, food delivery, or selling unused items online. Even an extra few $100s each month can bring you much closer to your goal. Don't forget to cut unnecessary expenses. Cancel subscriptions you don't use, cook more meals at home, compare insurance rates, and shop with a list instead of making impulse purchases. If you receive a tax refund, work bonus, or cash gift, save most or all of it instead of spending it. Finally, track your progress every month. Watching your savings grow can help you stay motivated and focused. Remember, building savings isn't about being perfect. It's about making consistent choices that move you closer to your goal. If you stay disciplined for 1 year, you won't just have $10,000. You'll have a financial habit that can benefit you for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their finances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.